Welcome.
Hello, Amy. How you doing?
I'm good. How's the new job going?
Just fine, thank you. Hectic. Lots of new code base to cover, and yeah, some we just got some feature requests from the clients, so I have to rewrite some legacy code that is it's quite complicated, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine.
Okay, cool.
Hmm. And how are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. There's some construction in the background, so hopefully it won't be too disruptive. But I have a headset on, so that should help cut out some of the ambient noise.
Cool. No, I don't hear anything right now. It's I hear you loud and clear. No problemos.
Wonderful. That is how it should be. Dina, hello. Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. I haven't seen you.
Здравствуйте, Dima.
Wow, it's impressive, Thomas.
Yes, yes, I'm trying. Well, I'm Polish originally, so
I didn't expect.
I actually studied Russian for 3 years, but that was
Really?
long, long time ago. Yes, that was a long time ago.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Mm, that's the way it is. So how you doing, Dima? Everything okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
What
Cool.
part of the
Everything's good.
what part of the world are you in?
Excuse me?
What part of the world are you in?
I'm from Russia.
Okay, great.
I think Brian's gonna join us.
Okay. We'll wait another couple minutes then.
Sure. Sure. Let's see who else is online. I don't see many people, but yes. And you have everything under control. You know how to share your screen, Amy, and all that?
Yes, I know how to share my screen.
Great. Cool. Just checking.
All right. So, is there a place on Agile Ventures website where you can go and see who is online and available for pairing?
No, not yet. This is the long-term goal
Okay.
for us. That's why we actually once upon a time actually started this project to create a pair programming scheduler or a tool where people could, but it's a long way to make that happen. What we have now is we have a user status and we have skills and we have time zones on the user model. So what I'm doing, I'm taking baby steps toward creating a possibility where we can do some advanced search for people in your proximity with your skill sets and you're interested in the same projects as you have, etc., etc. So, but we're not there yet.
Okay.
We're not there.
Yes, I noticed the status when I edited my profile this morning.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is the first iteration of the status story, so it's just hard-coded 4 or 5 different statuses you can choose from.
Okay.
But we'll gonna expand on that probably
Okay.
later on. Yeah. Who else do we have? Did somebody join us in the scrum? No.
I
Yes,
think
Brian's
there's
here.
a lot of people here.
Yeah, and Pavel's here, and Joe. How you doing, everybody? Okay, Amy. Perhaps we should kick this off.
Okay, great. So let me share my screen.
So far you're.
Okay.
I'm seeing your video, but no, I'm seeing Joe's video. Okay, never mind.
All right. Okay, so hi, I'm Amy. I'm in San Francisco. Yesterday I worked on restructuring the document library for the website one. That is, let's see, this document here here is our existing structure. There's a whole bunch of stuff under project workflow, and it's kind of all jumbled together and hard to understand. I've gone through all of these documents, figured out what they were, figured out what they meant to each other. I began linking some of them to each other because they were either next steps or they were related articles, and I've developed a new tree. So today I'll be figuring out who to give that to. It looks like I need to talk to a guy named Yaz. And other than that, I have no impediments, and I'm available.
Who's that?
Who is Yaz?
Yes.
So from projects, website 1. Documents. Website 1. Documents. Project workflow. No, not Yaz, Yarrow.
Okay, Yarrow. All right, gotcha.
Yeah.
Never mind that, because Yarrow is not a project member of this project anymore. So you might want to take this with either me or Brian, or if you wait until Tuesday, we could have we could go over all this in the developer meeting, perhaps. But up until then, we could process this together. I don't know, Brian, how's your availability in the next upcoming days?
Next week should be fine. I mean, just normal weekdays and evenings.
All right. Okay. So because Brian is a technical lead on this project, and I'm a project lead. So
guys, but some of the documents in this called like business strategy and so on, it regarding to more agile ventures. So maybe it should be.
I already moved that. I already moved that.
But where now? I saw them in Emmy's structure. When Emmy shows the document page, I saw that documents there under website 1.
Oh yeah. Which document would that be? Just
business strategy, for example.
Yes. Okay. Let's click that. Could you click the business strategy document?
Yes, business strategy, mission, value, and goals.
Click on the business strategy document. Okay. Business strategy is empty, actually.
Yes.
It needs to be deleted. See?
Yeah.
Empty.
And what about mission, values, and goals?
Well, that's for the project now, isn't that right, Pavel?
So we can look at this later. I don't want to get too far off topic from the Scrum. I'm pasting a link to the Google Doc, which will hold my report, into the chat. I will open it up, making it a public document later. It may not be visible to everybody at the moment, and then we can deal with it when we have the development meeting on Tuesday.
Absolutely. Sounds great. Sounds great.
And in addition, I will take responsibility for hosting this Scrum tomorrow, Thursday. I can probably do Tuesday through Thursday for the future. I'm not sure how long, but for now.
Sounds great.
Okay.
Next person in line. Should I go, perhaps?
Go ahead.
All right. Well, I've been busy updating the AV102 course with an written and recorded update. I made a announcement in the Google group to all the student members about this week and the need for them to. I mean, the homework assignment is participating in a pair programming session, so I would encourage every member to try to host online pair programming sessions the days that follows now, because the students need to have to participate in them and to gather the links and submit those links as a part of their home assignment. So it's very important now more than ever to do online pair programming. Other than that, I've been I had a long discussion this morning with Sam regarding some plans for website 1. I'll brief you guys on the next dev meeting. We were hoping to have a client meeting, but Sam is a little bit under the weather, so we postponed that. We don't have a date for that yet, but hopefully tomorrow we can have a client meeting, because there are some stories that needs to be accepted or rejected. Other than that, I'm working on a small feature that has to do with user profile. I'll be setting up a pair programming session right after this Scrum, and I think that's all from me. I have no impediments right now. So, yeah, that's all.
Okay. Pavel? Pavel, would you like to go next?
I guess he's
Sorry,
not
my
available.
microphone was my microphone was muted. I was on another page.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I've tried to say it. Well, yesterday I performed Osra Daily Scrum, just a regular one. I don't have too much to update. I know that guys created automatic deployment to develop an interstaging server, which I think is very good, so we can test our stories and show them to the client as fast as we merge them. Nothing else besides that. For today, I'm going to carry out Osro Daily Scrum, and that's it. Nothing blocking me. Nothing blocking me. No problems.
Joe?
I believe that's me.
That's right.
Hello.
Yep.
Hello. This is my first Scrum meeting in here. I just joined website 1, and
Welcome.
I was trying to. Thank you. I was trying to install it, and I found a lot of misinformation between the website and GitHub. So I'm not quite sure what to follow, because there is a script and there is a website with instructions. One tells us to install one version of Ruby, the other one another one. So I'm a bit lost. I'm trying to install now the website 1 to see how it goes, and maybe try to, but not today. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to pair or something, trying to do something from Pivotal Tracker.
I would say that if Brian, if you're available right after this Scrum, perhaps we could help him to set up the project in a pair programming session.
Sure.
I'm not really available now, so I'm just coming.
Okay.
I just came here to a Scrum, and then I have to fly. But at this moment, I just installed a version of Ruby, and it's doing the bundle install, so it will take some time still.
Okay. Where did you find the two different instructions, by the way?
There is a development environment set up in the website. It's a page, it's a document under project flow that has an install script that tries to install something, but it's pretty old. It's from the 20th of January. And also in the GitHub, there is a section called project setup, and that one is awkward because it asks for to use a Rails setup.shell file to install to set up the environment, and it uses a version of Ruby that I don't know of. It's 2.1.11.
Yeah, and Joe, I'm working on the project of cleaning this up. so that there's not so many contradictions. So this is really helpful, and I'll follow up with you later. But there's people here who can help you get set up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And that's it for me.
Okay.
Shall I go next?
Yes.
Well, to be honest, I haven't been doing much. I was away till Tuesday, and yesterday I was quite busy for the whole day, so I didn't get anything done. But hopefully today I'll be able to catch up with Thomas on what's been happening since I was away, and yeah, I guess that's my immediate plans right now. Nothing blocking me.
Dima, did we hear an update from you?
Yeah, hi. I didn't pick up story on last Scrum, and I'm going to pick up one story today, and I want to work on weekend.
Are you asking for anyone over the weekend to pair with you?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything that you need from your group?
Yeah, I want to maybe Thomas or somebody suggest me the story, because I don't know which story I can start.
I can do that. Perhaps we can take it over Slack channel, but I have a look in Pivotal if it's okay, Dima. All right?
Yeah, okay, Thomas. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, absolutely.
All right. That takes us to about 15 minutes. Are there any last words? Anybody needing a pair? Any last comments before we sign off?
I'll be setting up a hangout in a few minutes. So if anybody want to join me, you're more than welcome to do that.
Fabulous.
Fantastic. All right. Talk to you later, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.